Hi, today we're going to see how to create rainbows in GIMP. So first we need to create a new transparent layer. So click on this icon here, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now select the brush tool, paintbrush tool, sorry. The size is 60, aspect ratio 0, angle 0, spacing 10, hardness 100, the force 50, and for the dynamics it's basic. And now select the foreground color. Now here, as you can see, you can type red here, so you will get the color, so red. And now I can directly, without closing this window here, the foreground color window here, I can trace here. So left click here outside, we are on the new transparent layer, left click outside here, and then keep the control key and the shift key down here like this, and then just trace. As you can see, you will be able to trace a straight line with the paintbrush tool. So here it is. And now I'm going to select the orange, so just type orange. So here it is. And now left click here, and then keep the control key and shift key down here. So here it is. And then yellow. So here, press enter, and then just type here, left click here outside, and then keep control key, sorry, with the shift key down here, so like this, and then double click and then green. So I'm going to take this green here, so left click outside here again, keep the control key and shift key down, and then just trace. So I think I made a mistake, so press the control key and Z to undo what you have done. So I'm going to click here and then here like this. And then for the blue color, I'm going to type the HTML notation. So double click here and then type 1A4EF5, press enter. Now, just as before, left click outside and then keep shift key and control key down. So here it is. Now here I'm going to type indigo. So here it is. I'm going to select this one here and then left click outside here and then keep the control key and shift key down. So now this is the last one, so just type purple. So here it is. And now just left click outside and then keep control key, shift key down. So here it is. So I think I'm going to undo this action, so control Z. I'm going to place my paintbrush here. I think here it's okay. I'll control Z again. So here like this. So I'm going to leave it like this, so press OK. And now I'm going to select the rotation tool, left click here on the rainbow layer, and then double click here on the angle, type 90, press enter, and then rotate. And now select the flip tool, left click here, make sure in the tool options the direction is vertical, so left click here. So here it is, and now go to filters, distort, polar coordinates. So here it is. I'm going to leave the settings just like this, just press OK. And now as you can see here in the upper part there's a small gap here, so I'm going to remove it. So select the flip tool, so I'm going to flip it vertically, left click here, so the gap here is down here, and then go to select the rectangle selection tool, and then I will make a selection of the bottom part here of the rainbow. So here it is, and now press enter, and then just press the delete key on your keyboard. So here it is, and now go to select none. And now I'm going to select the scale tool. I want to make the rainbow coming from behind these two islands here. So select the scale tool. And now first I'm going to crop the layer here, crop to its content. So layer, crop to content, and then left click here, and then keep the control key down here to scale it up like this. So here it is. I'm going to move it here like this. And now in order to scale it from one side, keep the shift key down here and then just drag it. So drag the handle. Here I'm going to drag the left handle. So here it is. You can also scale it up like this. So here like this. And now once you get the effect you want, just press enter. So I'm going to move it a little bit like this maybe. I'm going to scale it here from this side. So here I think it's okay. Press enter here. And now right click, layer to image size here. And now let's hide the rainbow. Here, this one here, select the image. And now I'm going to select these two islands here. So just select the select by color tool, left click here, and then drag to the right here. So as you can see, it will make selection. So here it is. So here like this. And now select the rainbow layer, click on the eye icon here to show it again, and then press the delete key on your keyboard while selecting the rainbow layer. So here it is. As you can see, it will remove the selection. Go to select, none. And now I'm just going to remove the remaining part of the rainbow here. So select the eraser tool, increase the brush here, and then just delete here like this. While on the rainbow layer, to delete the rainbow. So here it is, now it's okay. And now change the layer mode here to screen. So here it is, and now I'm going just to blur it a little bit. So go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur. So just blur it a little bit so we don't have these stripes here like this. So I'm going just to increase it a little bit until it will blend here, the colors blends. So here I think it's okay here. So I think it's okay here, so press OK. And now I'm going to remove the excess here, so select the image layer again. So let's hide the rainbow and then select the select by color tool, left click, and then just drag to the right here like this. So here it is. And then select the rainbow layer, this one here, and then just select the eraser tool so that you can erase just selection part, this one here like this. So and then just go to select, none to remove the selection. And now I'm just going to brighten this image a little bit. So for the rainbow layer, you can also decrease the opacity here. So I want to keep it kind of bright here. I like the effect here. And now I'm going to merge these two layers here. So click on this icon here. And now go to colors, curves. And now I'm just going to brighten the image a little bit here like this. So here I want to make it look more brightened here, so you can check the preview to see the before and after. So I'm going to leave it like this. I like this effect, so press OK. So here it is. That's how you can create a rainbow in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.